Hi all, my name is Marian and I'm just going to show you how to use my lovely new Uccello kettle. This is made for me because my hands can be quite sore with arthritis and it's very easy to use. I have a jug so I don't have to lift the kettle out, but you can if you want. I have a jug and I fill the kettle, and it's a marker so it'll tell you when it's full enough. Close that lid, press that button and just wait till it boils. So I have my cup ready and my kettle is here, and all I have to do is this. No lifting a heavy kettle, no chance of spilling the boiling water. It's just wonderful.